Let's go to the question number 2. Cynthia is asking, with little time left for fourth quarter, what's the most important thing to focus on? For online retailers, it is typical to make the very same revenue in the last quarter than they have made in 3 quarters before altogether, or even more. So this is a very common and typical thing. If you are working with wholesalers and other retailers, you have to dig your well before you are thirsty. It is mid-November right now, and most of them have already sourced the products for the third quarter. So if you did not found your partners yet for this third quarter selling right now, you probably will still have about 2 weeks to sell, because they, according to the stores and wholesalers, they are mostly looking for new products in the period between September till the end of November. So you have this 3 month. So you have time until the end of November to sell your goods at the wholesale. And after that, of course, it finishes and they do not look for it. They're just focusing on sales. If you didn't do any work on this and you miss your ship, so to speak, this year, then please make sure that you are on the ship while it's sailing in the 2023. You still can do a lot for your B2C sales in order to leverage the purchasing power of the fourth quarter. Make sure that your offer is standing and that your ads are running to your offer. So these are 2 important things to make sure that you are selling. And you asking me in your question, Cynthia, what is the single important thing to focus on, right? So the single important thing to focus on until you turn 1 million in revenue per year profitably would be sales. So make sure that you have a solid offer and make sure that ads are running to your offer, so that it's converting, that it's selling, that you have a product and you bring eyeballs to your product.